Yo, how's it going, EDM fam? So we got another drive-in rave. This one is in Atlanta. It's Atlanta's first drive-in rave. I think it's called Drive-In at the Speedway. We got Adventure Club and Wooli tonight. My first time being at an Atlanta drive-in rave. We're gonna see how it turns out. This is by Collective Presents and Beware Presents. So I'm excited to be here, guys. Let's see how it turns out. Dude, the reflectiveness. Reflective squad. Dude, this video is gonna look so sick. Oh, buddy. For everybody asking, we actually got our fits at Amazon.
Basically, like hers is like EDM or...
And she got hers at Heart Raves. It is now 5 o'clock and we're headed over. I think it doesn't start till 6. Does this remind you of Imagine?
What means imagine?
I just want to be noticed. Notice me.
Notice me, senpai.
Notice me, senpai.
This section right here, this is just to get your car checked and stuff.
Okay.
Once you get to the bottom, it's something like that. This is the bottom.
Okay.
So do we just need to sit here until somebody checks? Okay.
Next, open it.
6, okay.
Videoing me?
I am daddy. I legit thought that was all painted on. I was like, holy shit. Put your masks on.
I gotta put it on to be on your channel.
Yeah, I will clip
What's
you
up, man?
off so hard.
Good to see
How's
you.
it going, brother?
Oh wait, is he actually security or is he not security?
No.
Oh, okay. I'm like, at first I thought he was, and now we're still talking about the mask.
Try and catch it.
You're not supposed to do what?
Walk vertically.
You can't do it.
I'm drinking a Smirnoff Ice Pineapple Coconut.
Hey, I like it. Hey!
What's up, man?
You were just up that. Wait.
Yeah, you did.
I'm confused. I never got Is your this name. coincidence or like?
This is my squad.
Okay, I'm gauged. But you know them.
Yeah.
Okay, so
What's
this is-
up?
He knows me. I know Nicole. Yeah.
And I know Nicole, and okay, this is a big coincidence.
Yeah, I don't know
okay.
anybody else
We're in
besides.
Wisconsin.
Yeah,
Okay.
we went to high school together.
That's funny.
Meet my friend.
I'm about to get crunk to this new song, baby.
Excision!
Marry me, Excision. What are you drinking? What is that? What is that?
It's a Truly.
No.
Ew, no, that's not mine.
Ah, it's my best friend right here. Don't leave me. You here with me. My love is gone. Fire mascot, I said. God damn it, Bobby. Oh shit.
One shot, you're killed.
All right, I'm back home. Thank you guys for watching all the way to the end. That was Atlanta's first drive-in rave. Collective Beware presents. You guys did an amazing job. Thank you for having me. And let's talk pros and cons so you guys are aware of what I thought was good and what I thought was bad. I think two things that were good was, one, the security. They were just there to make sure like there was no extra people, making sure that that nobody had any bombs. Another pro is that we were able to literally bring a bunch of food, a bunch of drinks, and a bunch of alcohol, and we didn't have to spend a single dime on any extra prices, you know, so that was kind of nice. I would say the con, though, is that I wish I saw more artists than just Wooli and Adventure Club, and I do feel like maybe it was short-lived, at least the concert was, considering how many I've been to and how many I've seen. I would say that this one was probably the shortest time-wise. But I can't wait to see more of what they have to offer. Atlanta, thank you guys for having me. And if you watched till the end, make sure you subscribe to this channel. A lot of you guys aren't subscribed, and I'd appreciate it. All right, till the next one, guys. Bye.